Ilan sa mga salitang binitawan netong si Cone sa isang panayam sa kabila ng panalo na nakuha ng kanyang koponan kontra SMB. Yan matapos mong i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Last Sunday nga mga bolero, alam naman natin na maliban dito sa malaking panalo na nauwi ng Barangay sa Game 1 kontra SMB, sa araw ding yan, nagawa ng tropang 5G na makauna dito sa kanilang serye kontra Meralco. Sa kabila pa nga yan ng 16 na puntos na kalamangan ng Bolt sa first half.
Well, basically what we said at halftime, we just challenged the players to defend one-on-one. I thought in the first half we were relying too much on our help defense, and Meralco did a great job picking it apart. Credit to them, they came up with a really good game plan. So at halftime, I told the players, whatever defensive scheme we come up with, if your man is getting all the way to the rim, to the basket, then no defensive game plan is going to work. So in the end, I just told them to be fundamental and defend the point of attack better. And I think that's going to have to be our adjustment, that we have to do a better job in game 2 to defend that way, to just make sure that it's difficult for Meralco to just break us down on the point of attack.
Pero sa kabila nga na itong pangit na simula ng TNT, marami pa rin ang natuwa kay Chot matapos na itong akuin ng pagkakamali.
Well, that's on me because we prepared a game plan that they picked apart. So the players simply were following and executing the defensive game plan that we prepared, and Meralco just picked it apart.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, last Sunday nga rin mga bolero, alam naman nating nagawa rin ng Barangay na makuha itong Game 1 sa kanilang serye kalaban ng SMB. Kung saan dito, nagawa ng koponan ni Cone na matuldukan itong 10-game winning streak ng San Miguel. Pero sa kabila niyan, sa isang panayam kay Tim matapos ang panalo, mukhang ayaw pa munang pakampante ni Cone.
Yeah, I mean, of course, we had a 7-game winning streak. Yeah, we're like really, really happy about our 7-game winning streak. Then we turn around and play a team that's a 10-game winning streak. So, we were aware, but it's a series. It's basically back to zero. So the winning streaks, what you've done before, doesn't matter anymore when you come into a 7-game series. We just known from last year and the years past that this is a great team. So we have to play it at the very top of our game to have a chance to beat them. And tonight we did.